Hello guys, in this video we are going to study different levels in Six Sigma. As we have studied in depth about Six Sigma in previous videos, to implement Six Sigma, every organization has trained personnel at different levels of the organization. It is important for each Six Sigma professional to know his or her role and responsibility within the organization. Lower level individual will report to higher level individual with their problems, and higher level individual are responsible for monitoring lower level individuals. These are the labels in Six Sigma starting from the bottom: white belt, yellow belt, green belt, black belt, master black belt, and champion. The lowest belt in the pyramid is the white belt. Yellow belt serve as the trainer for the white belt. White belt labors are not fully recognized by the entire Six Sigma community, mainly considered yellow belt as the lowest belt. Understand basic Six Sigma concept from an awareness perspective. The belt which comes above the white belt is called yellow belt. Participate as a project team member. Reviews process improvements that supports the project. They are having basic knowledge of Six Sigma and they're responsible for running small-scale improvement projects using PDCA methodology. This methodology we have already studied in previous videos. Now the next belt which comes above the yellow belt is called green belt. They have enhanced data solving skill, assist with data collection and analysis for black belt projects. They often lead green belt projects or teams. The next belt which comes above the green belt is called a black belt and has knowledge of Six Sigma philosophy and principle. They have a complex understanding of DMAC and DMADV. They lead problem solving projects, trains and coaches project teams. The next belt which comes above the black belt is called master black belt. Having used experience of managing several projects on Six Sigma, trains and coaches black belts and green belts. Functions more at Six Sigma program level by developing key material and strategic direction. Acts as an organization Six Sigma technologist and internal consultant. The next and the highest belt in the pyramid is called champion. They translate the company's vision, mission, goals, and metrics to create an organizational deployment plan and identify individual projects, identify resources, and remove roadblocks. Now, let's take an Indian organization working on the Six Sigma. The best example for this Sigma in India is the Nutan Mumbai Tiffin Box Supplier Association, also known as Dabbawala. Many of you belonging to Mumbai might be knowing about Dabbawala, but for people living in other states who don't know Dabbawala, Dabbawala is people in Mumbai, India, whose job is carrying and delivering freshly made food from home in lunch boxes to office workers. They are formally known as MTBSA, Mumbai Tiffin Box Suppliers Association, but most people refer to them as Dabbawala. These Dabbawalas have achieved Six Sigma with their commitment to honesty and their effort. The organization strives to ensure customer satisfaction. They have achieved and instilled a great level of efficiency amongst all employees, ensuring excellent supply chain management. The Mumbai Dabbawalas, without using any latest technology, have always avoided all the errors. The organization has achieved Six Sigma with the Mumbai Dabbawala have a legacy over 125 years. They become world renowned for Six Sigma organizations. To achieve Six Sigma 3.4 defects per million with not technology is an achievement. Dabbawala has started in 1890 by one Mr. Mahadev Havji Bache. He was once asked by a Parsi working in the Britishers' rank, "Will you bring my tiffin from my home?" He simply answered, "Yes, I will, no problem." From that day onwards, he started to collect tiffin from homes and delivering them to the respective workplaces. In 1890, there was one Dabbawala and one customer, and now there are 5,000 Dabbawalas and 200,000 customers, which means One dabba wala carries approximately 40 tiffins. The maximum weight comes to 65 to 70 kg. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda. Subscribe to Ekeeda.